Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. Today the week is 5th. Our subject is English for the class 2. Okay student, as you can read, open your grammar book page number 12. The chapter, the topic which we are going to start is about the sentence. As you can read in the one class, sentence, what does it mean? Sentence का क्या मतलब है? If we are talking about sentence, a sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. As you can read in the class 1 also that a sentence is a group of words, ज़्यादा सारे words को combine करके एक sentence बनाना जो आपको complete और proper sense देता है, उसे क्या कहते हैं? Sentence कहते हैं. Sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. For example, Amir is a boy. It's a complete statement that Amir is a boy. As you can read, a group of words which makes complete sense. They are giving the complete sense like Amir is a boy. If we talk about, open your book page number 12. A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. For example, the frog is green. Amir is a boy. Words in a sentence must be in correct order. Now, if we talk about the sentences are of two kinds. First one is correct sentences and second one is incorrect sentences. Correct sentences are those sentences which statement is true. And incorrect sentences are those sentences which statement is not true. Means that correct sentences are those sentences which give the concept of true things. And incorrect sentences are those sentences which does not give us the concept of true things. Now, if we talk about the exercise, for example, mangoes like I, it's not a complete sense. I like mango is a complete sense. Now, here is an exercise. Now, on the book page number 12, tick the correct sentence and cross the wrong ones. First one is Ahmad is. Ahmad क्या? हमें नहीं पता. We don't know Ahmad is a boy. They are not giving the complete sense. So that's why we put cross. It's an incorrect sentence. The next one is this is a book. It's a complete sense. So that's why we put tick. Chairs are. What does it mean? Chairs are cross. Books, pens, tens. It's a complete sense. Like books, pens, and tens. He is a good boy. Complete sense. So that's why we put tick. Okay. Now solve this. Now come on the book page number 13. In this page, we learn about the separate the correct and incorrect sentences. For example, if we are talking about Amir is a boy, it's a complete sense. Okay, so that's why we call it as a sentence. Now there are two types of sentences like incorrect sentence and correct sentence. Incorrect sentences are those sentences which are not true. Correct sentences are those sentences which make the complete sense, which are true. For example, I am writing here two sentences. 1 and 2. One is about playing is Ali. In which order we put this? Incorrect sentences or correct sentences में हम इसे किस order में put करेंगे? किस block में? Like playing is Ali. हमें नहीं पता कि वो क्या है, हमें कोई clear concept नहीं दे रहे हैं. So that's why we put in the box incorrect sentence like playing is Ali. If they talk Ali is playing, then it's a complete sentence. But they are talk that playing is Ali. It's not a complete sentence. So that's why we put in the incorrect sentence. Now Sarah is beautiful. Complete sentence. So that's why we put this in the correct order. Sarah is beautiful. Okay. Now the rest of others, they are giving you 6 sentences and you have to put it in the correct order, that in which order they should have to be placed there. In this block or in this block. You have to complete this. Now next one is write down the each sentence in the correct order so that to make sense. Again they are giving you different words, but you have to arrange these words to make a complete sentence. Like they wrote name is her Anna. Not a complete sentence. If we arrange these all and make a complete sentence, we write it as her name is Anam. A कैपिटल क्यों लिखा मैंने? Because the name of the letter will be always with a bigger capital letter. So that's why. Her name is Anam and end with the full stop. Now the rest of others solved by you. Okay students, if you have clear concept about this, in this chapter we learned about the sentence. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. Like Amir is a boy. Sentences has two types: incorrect sentences and correct sentences. Incorrect sentences are those sentences which are not true. Correct sentences are those sentences which are true. Now solve this exercise like playing is Ali. Where we have to put this? Playing is Ali. Sarah is beautiful. So that's why we put in the correct sentences statement. Sarah is beautiful. Next one is rearrange this letter like her name is Anam. Complete sense. So that's why we write there. Now you have to solve this page number 13 under the guideline of your parents and the tutor for your concept, for your general knowledge. This is a task for you. Okay, now come on the next chapter, which is about the kinds of sentences. On the book page number 14. Okay student, our next topic is about kinds of sentences on the grammar book page number 14. Open your grammar book page number 14. Okay, now next chapter is about kinds of sentences. Kinds of sentences means that the kinds of sentences has three types. Number one, simple sentences. Number two, negative sentences. Number three, interrogative sentences. Sentence has three types. Number one, simple sentences. Number two, negative sentences. Number three, interrogative sentences. Simple sentences are those sentences which are true. Negative sentences are those sentences which are not true. Interrogative sentences are those sentences in which question is asked. If I am repeating, simple sentences are those sentences which are true, like he is Ali. It's a complete statement. He is Ali. Next one, negative sentence. He is not Ali. As you can see, the word not is used. The identification of the negative sentences is the word not is used. Interrogative sentences, question mark is put on the last at the end of the sentence. Like is he Ali? Question is asked like is he Ali? As you can see, simple sentences are those sentences which are true, like he is Ali. Negative sentences are those sentences in which the word not is used. Interrogative sentences are those sentences in which question is asked, like is he Ali? Means that no confirm statement that is he Ali or not, and put question mark at the end of the sentence. Kind of sentences has three types: simple sentences, negative sentences, interrogative sentences. Now you have cleared the concept? Okay. If I am going to start, there are three kinds of sentences: simple sentences, negative sentences, interrogative sentences. Simple sentences sentences start with a capital letter and end with a full stop. As you can see, these sentences begin with a capital letter and end with the full stop. These again, capital letter, full stop. Capital letter, question mark. For example, he is Ali, Amir is running, my country name is Pakistan. Negative sentences are those sentences they deny or refuse anything in which not is used. He is not Raza, he does not like milk, she is not playing. Interrogative sentence, if in a sentence something is asked, is called interrogative sentence. It starts with a capital letter and end with a question mark. As you can see, it begins with a capital letter and end with the question mark. In the simple sentences, it's a true statement. In the negative sentences, the word not is used and with the full stop. Interrogative sentences, question mark is put at the end of the sentence. Now, here is an exercise on the book page number 15. Write the correct kind of sentences. They are given you different sentences and you have to write down the correct kinds of sentences. Means that you have to identify that which kind of sentence will be put there. Now, first one, if I talk about I am a girl. You have to think about that. What does it mean? It's a simple sentence, negative and interrogative. But as you can know that the word not is used, they will be negative. If the question mark is used, it will be interrogative. But now not and question mark is not there. So that's why we can think like I am a girl is a simple sentence. So that's why we put simple sentence. Next one, how are you? Who are you? In the question is asked, so that's why we put interrogative sentence. Because as you can see, question mark is there. So that's why the clear identification of the interrogative sentence, like we have to put question mark. So that's why we can write here interrogative sentence. Next one, she is not eating. As you can see, not is there. So that's why we write there negative sentence. In the second one, who are you? As you can see, question mark is there. So that's why we put interrogative. In the next one, she is not playing. Not is there. So that's why we write here negative sentence. Is it clear? Now you have to complete this part number 1. Now, part number 2 is change the following sentences into negative and interrogative sentences. One is done for you. As you can see, he is Bilal. If we talk about like that, they are giving you the complete statement like he is Bilal. And we have to make negative and interrogative. So that's why we put not for the negative and question mark for the interrogative. Like he is not Bilal for the negative, is he Bilal, and put the question mark for the interrogative. Now solve this test of others. Now to change in the negative into interrogative, नोट लगाकर negative and question mark put करके interrogative. Now you have to solve this exercise under the guideline of your parents and under the guideline of your tutors. Okay students, now here is the task for you. So you have to complete in the whole week. This is a task for you. We learned in the both chapters about the sentences and the kind of sentences. Okay, now I will be come here for the next week. Okay, thank you so much. Read these 2 chapters. Students, now here is the homework task for you. Solve the grammar book page number 12, 13 and 15 in the whole week under the guideline of your parents and the tutors. This is the task for you. You have to complete in the whole week. Okay, thank you so much. Allah.